Good day everyone, I am Denver Jake, the prosa from BSIT-1A, and my chosen topic for this educational video is probability theory. I chose this topic. Probability is everywhere in IT. Whether we realize it or not, it helps computers make decisions, predict outcomes, and even defend systems from cyber attacks. Today I'll explain what probability is and how it's used in the real world information technology and information systems. So I choose this topic. And what is probability theory? Probability theory is a branch of mathematics that measures how likely an event is to happen. It uses value from 0 to 1, where 0 means impossible, 1 means guaranteed. Value in between describe uncertain events. In simple words, probability helps us deal with uncertainty. So, basic example. If we toss a coin, there are two equally possible outcomes, head or tails. So, the probability in getting head is P heads 1 half equals 0.5. This simple idea expands into powerful tools used in computing. See how probability is used in IT or IS. Machine learning and artificial intelligence AI uses probability to make prediction. For example, a spam filtering algorithm calculates the probability that an email is spam based on its contents. Image recognition models compute probabilities to guess what object is in a picture. The computer does not say this is a cat. Instead, it says there is 92% probability that this image contains a cat. 2. Cybersecurity intrusion detection. In cybersecurity, probability helps detect unusual or suspicious behavior. System analyze. Login patterns, network traffic, failed login attempts. If the probability of a certain actions being abnormal is low, the system triggers an alert. This is how anomaly detection works. So number 3, everyone, networking, packet loss, and reliability. In computer networks, probability is used to measure packet loss, error rates, chances of network congestions. Routers apply probability-based algorithms to decide which paths packets should take to avoid traffic jams. 4. Data science analytics. Whenever companies predict customer behavior, sales outcomes, risk factors, they use probability models. In IS, probability helps analysts make decisions using incomplete, uncertain data. So for the reflection or conclusion, to conclude, probability theory is more than just number. It is a tool that powers modern computing. I realize that IT systems constantly make decisions based on uncertainty, and probability helps them choose the best possible outcome. From AI prediction to cybersecurity alerts, probability is a foundation of many innovation in IT and IS. Understanding probability doesn't not just help in math, it helps us understand how technology make smart decision. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. So that's how probability theory works. So thank you for watching, guys.